Welcome to my channel. Today let's do a review. I recently bought a Philip Epilator as hair removal was taking up a lot of my time and energy. After using it for a month or two, I'd like to share my experience with y'all. When I used it for the first time, it was somewhat painful, but the discomfort reduced with each use. The epilator is very convenient and handy. I found it especially beneficial that it comes with a wire, as there is no need to recharge it constantly, which is helpful since epilation can take a bit of time. Since epilators pull hair out of the root, it took a while for the hair to grow back, which is a huge plus. It came with a catalog, 1-year warranty, a few instruction sheets, a cleaning brush, and 2 clips on attachment of different sizes. Here are some tips I follow for better results and more convenient use. I epilate before the hair gets too long, as it's easier and less painful. I always epilate after a hot shower when the pores are open and the hair can be removed more easily from the root. During the shower, I use a body scrub to exfoliate the skin. While epilating, I gently press the device against the skin and move it in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Hope this helps. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below. Thanks for watching.